Hi everyone, Chris Naum here in New York. Just want to take a couple of minutes of your time, talk about an upcoming workshop that we're going to be providing. It's rebooting old school principles for today's demanding fireground. Again, the topic should catch you, get your attention, but again, it's going to be a jam-packed session, 4 hours of intensive dialogue discussions, facilitated dialogue, dealing with old school traditions, talking about the job that all of us love and true and dear. We're going to talk about operational excellence. We're going to talk about building construction, the predictability of building performance, reading the building, decision making, talking about the operational issues dealing with the first due, leadership on today's fireground, operations, tactics, safety, collapse level operations, operational safety, lessons learned, and all about the tradition of the job and putting that all together, dealing with the demands associated with today's fireground. We've got a jam-packed program, again, high intensity class, rebooting old school principles for today's demanding fireground. Certainly not a class to be missed. Look forward to talking with you. Look forward to seeing you and being part of our phenomenal rollout class. So look forward to seeing you all there. Thanks.